Hey guys! Okay, so I'm sure a lot of you have been waiting for this for a long time, and I'm really sorry I haven't got around to doing it until now. But it is, of course, the Photoshop website design tutorial, part number 2. Okay, so in this tutorial we're going to be working with the files that we were working with last tutorial. Obviously we saved them last time, and now it is time to format the header and the menu bar. So we're going to be sorting out the background, we're going to be linking the menu bar, so obviously the links on the menu bar work, and we're going to be just sorting out the format, sorting out the layout, so that next time, in next video tutorial, we can get on with adding some proper content to the website. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so obviously we've got the website folder that we were working with last time, and if you'll remember, I'm going to quickly make the icons a bit bigger though first, sorry. We're going to make them large icons, there we go. So, if you'll remember last time we're going to open this up in Photoshop to show you what we were working with. We were working with obviously our header and our menu bar, and then the background, we had a shadow effect on that. So this is what we were working with last time, and then remember we saved it. So I am just going to minimize this now, and we're going to go back to the website folder, and obviously we created a header and images folder that was generated when we split the website in Photoshop. So I'm going to rename this from header now. I'm going to rename it to index, because this is what we're going to be working with in Dreamweaver. This is the file. So if we just open this up in Google Chrome, you'll see that it doesn't look very good at the moment. It's obviously just basically the image in the corner, in the top left-hand corner, sorry, of our web browser. Obviously, it's just the images split that have been put together that you can see. Obviously, the links don't work, nothing works in that, so we're going to just close that for now. So we're going to open this up with Dreamweaver CS5. So we're going to open up Dreamweaver CS5. We're not going to be creating a new document today. We're going to be opening up the document that we were just working on. So we're going to go to the desktop. We're going to go to the website folder, which is there, and we're going to open up index.html, which is what we just renamed from header.html. So if we split the screen, you can see the code on the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side we've obviously got the table with the images split together. So if we go to the top of the table code, we're going to rename that to align center, and we can take this grey text out because that doesn't do anything. That's just showing us the top and the bottom of the table. So we're going to get rid of that. Right, now that we've got rid of that, it should have aligned our table in the center. So if we go to the design, there we go, the table is now in the center, it's looking centrally aligned, which is good. So if we go and open it up in Google Chrome, obviously it's still the same because we haven't saved it in Dreamweaver yet. So if we're now going to add links. So we're going to select the part of the image which has all of our menu on it, and we're going to go to the bottom left-hand corner of Dreamweaver, and we're going to go to this icon, which is the rectangle hotspot tool. We're going to select that, and we're going to drag it over the first link, which is home. Once we've dragged it over, the options box at the bottom should change, and it should have a box that says link. So we're going to change the link to index.html, press enter, and that has done the first link. So we're going to now select the second one, about, and we are going to change the link here to about.html. So about.html. Press enter, and that's saved that one. Now we're going to highlight videos, and we can just ignore that. Videos, and we're going to save the link as videos.html. Press enter once you're done with that one. Go and select contact, make that link to contact.html. And literally you can do this with all of them. Press enter once you're done with each link, and you can just continue with all of them. We're not going to bother for now, but that's pretty much it. So these links should now be working. So if we go to File, Save, or Control S, and then we go back to Dreamweaver, Google Chrome rather, press refresh, it is now aligned in the center, and obviously these links work, so it's gone to index.html. If we press about, it goes to about.html, but obviously there is no file called about.html that exists. So all the links are now working. Obviously those ones aren't because they've got nothing linking to them, but the ones that we selected are now working links. Now the background doesn't look very good at the moment. Obviously it's a white, it's kind of a harsh contrast. We want it to blend in nicely. So the background color, BG color in body, we're going to change this to CCC, which is matching with our background color. Obviously now you can see it's blending nicely. So press File, Save, or Control S, refresh the page, and obviously it is now blending really nicely on our internet browser. It's looking a lot better. But now obviously there is a patch of white, and then the rest is grey down below. We've obviously got a shadow effect, but this isn't really doing anything of any use or value. So we're going to change this now, so it's got a white section around the whole thing. Now this is why I told you to save the bottom bit as the whole width of 1000 pixels for one image. So now we're going to create a new table underneath the table that we already had generated by Photoshop. We're going to just type in table width 1000 pixels and a line in the center, and then our background is going to be the same background as the width background. So copy that and paste it in there. So this is the background which is now going to repeat. So we want to do height now. We want height to be 100%, so it's going to fill the whole height of the screen. We're going to type in TRTD, but we're not going to add any content into it, so we're going to close them straight away, and then we're going to close table. Once you've done that, go to File, Save, and we're going to now refresh it in Google Chrome. And as you can see, the background's repeating the whole length of our document of the website. So it's now looking a lot better, but obviously we've got no content here. So this is what we're going to be working on next time. We're going to be working on adding some content to our website. So we formatted the document now. That's pretty much all we're going to do in this video tutorial. We've neatened it up, so look forward to seeing you next time where we're going to be adding some real content to the website, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, favourite, and of course subscribe. Bye for now.